Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can send personalized cold emails completely automated using AI in this end-to-end workflow. Let me quickly explain to you how this is going to work. So what we are doing first is we are basically we have this form where in this form we're going to enter what type of services that we provide. Then what we're going to do is what we are doing is we're getting all those leads from the Google Sheet. We're going to their website, we're scraping all the content present on their website. What we're doing is we're passing all that information of that business and the type of services that we want to provide to an AI agent. Now this AI agent is created to craft a personalized cold emails on the basis of what services that we provide and the information about the business, right? And it's going to send it through Gmail, and then we're going to repeat the process for all the leads. This is how simple it is. As you can see, we're doing the same thing. We have a form, we're getting the leads from Google Sheets, we're validating if the email is correct or not, if the email is present, we're fetching the website content, and then we're passing that website's content to an AI agent, and it's basically crafting us a very personalized cold email, and then we're sending it through Gmail. Now if you don't want to waste your time looking at this video, you can go into the description. I have added a link to my Discord channel. You can join that Discord server. There I have added the file for this entire end-to-end workflow. So what you can do is you can just copy and paste it into your end-to-end instance, and you're gonna have all these nodes in this entire end-to-end workflow ready to go. So let me show you how this entire workflow is going to work. So first I have this form. I'm going to click this button, and as you can see, this form appears where I'm just entering my name, though it may not be needed, but you can, it's optional. Then I'm going to just explain what type of services that I want to provide. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to say okay, so I'm just taking this example, 200 word limit. I'm going to, so this start row and end row is basically how many leads you want to craft the personalized email. Okay, I just want to show you how this works. So I'm just going to take a few of them. And then here I'm just going to explain to the AI agent basically how it should craft the email. Now I just want it to be very straightforward, simple. I don't want to make it a very long email which no one wants to read. I'm just going to keep it very small and simple, straightforward, explaining how my services can help the business. So yeah, that's what I'm going to add over here. Create a personalized email using the leads website content. Keep the email short, simple and friendly. We need to provide our services as a solution to what problem they might be facing running their business. Okay, I'm going to submit this form. I'm going to run this node which is going to get all the leads from the Google Sheet. As you can see, we have almost 10 items right over here. As you can see, this is how it looks like if you look at in the table or JSON format. These are all the leads from my Google Sheet. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this email validate node, which basically just checks whether the email is present or not on the sheet, right? Then we're going to select the row range. We only have 3 items. We selected 1 to 3. Now we're going to start the loop. We're going to go to the website of the first lead that we have. All right. Then once we have the content of the website, as you can see, this is how the content of the website is going to look like. It's a dental private dental clinic in the UK. And as you can see, this is the entire content. Now what we are doing in this node is we're cleaning it up, and we're only taking out the text content, which we're gonna pass on to the AI agent, right? We don't wanna pass on extra information, extra tokens, which are like these div tags, which makes no sense. We're not gonna send that. We're only going to send the text content of this entire website. Yeah, so I'm gonna execute this, and it's going to give us a clean text. And as you can see, this is the entire clean text we have, which does not contain any HTML tag. Now there is an if tag basically. So sometimes what happens is that few websites are loaded dynamically using JavaScript, due to which what can happen is if we use this basic node to fetch the content of the website, it will not actually give us the content, because the content is actually loaded dynamically after a few seconds on the website. And because of that reason, we are actually using this API Fi node, which is supposed to get the content of the website even if it's loaded dynamically. So chances are that this may just not be required because many businesses do not keep such type of websites. Most of them keep static content, so this may not be required at all. I'm going to run this if node, and as you can see, obviously we got the content. I'm going to pass it to this AI agent. Now in this AI agent, I'm using Grok chat model. The reason why I'm using this is because Grok is actually pretty cheap. Because it's not a very big task, I decided to go with Grok, but you can obviously replace this if you feel like with any other model. We're passing this entire prompt, which is supposed to create the personalized email. As you can see, we're giving it the website's content, we're giving it services that we provide, the user prompt, and the word limit. Now you can obviously make changes to it as per your requirement. And then we are adding an output parser to this AI agent so that it only gives us the output and the response in this particular format. Alright, so I'm going to run this node as well. There you go. So as you can see, we have this email subject and email body ready to be sent. AI appointment setter to streamline Zental's booking. And then here we have a very short email that directly targets and tries to basically sell a solution to their business. For the demo purposes, what I'm actually doing, I'm going to send it to myself instead of sending it to the business, because I just want to show you how this works. Okay. Right. So now I'm going to run this node as well. And as you can see, let me check if I have received the email or not. Yup, I have received the email. As you can see, I have this email, and this is how AI appointment setter to streamline Zental's booking, and this is the exact content. So I think this is awesome, right? Like I don't need to go to their website and read their content and figure out, okay, how can I basically pitch my services to them. I can just use this, I can just do this. So that's it. That was the entire N8N workflow. Now if you want this, you can join my Discord server from the link in the description and copy and paste that JSON file directly into your N8N instance, and you have this entire workflow ready to go. Alright, so thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.